Hey there, it's Kimberly Lucht, and today I want to invite you on a hibernation meditation journey for those colder winter months, especially if you're in the northern hemisphere. Winter season is upon us, and sometimes it's really nice to just get cozy and comfy and warm and have your nice cup of tea and your blanket and your fireplace. And so if you have any of those things, go ahead and grab whatever you feel called to grab now. And let's drop into that energy of just like coming inward. And I think, of course, winter season is a really great invitation for all of us to come back to the body and come back to ourselves and find a moment of refuge and peace, right? There's not a lot happening sometimes in winter season, and sometimes there is a lot happening. For example, the holidays can get pretty crazy, but I think for the most part, we're more capable of coming back to ourselves, our homes, and our hibernation station. So get set up in that hibernation station right now. You can even lie down as you do this with me. And so whatever you want to do, whatever feels comfiest to you right now, get that going. And once you're there, we're gonna go ahead and wiggle the hands a little bit and just kind of get into the body a little bit, then maybe like warming up the arms and kind of squeezing the arms a little bit with these hands. If you feel like closing your eyes, you're more than welcome to. And then gently coming to the chest area, pressing down on the chest a little bit, bringing some warmth to the heart area, the lungs, the chest. And then the stomach, maybe lightly touching the stomach. Don't give yourself any nausea if you're pressing too hard or anything like that. Just a light touch, letting your body know it's safe. Maybe exhaling as you do. And then a light touch also on the top of your head. Just a little trickle down. So beautiful. And maybe even a little squeeze for your backside, for your back body. You can even squeeze your butt if you want to. Just any part of the body that you feel called. And now we're gonna go down to the legs, squeezing the legs a little bit, the knees, warming up the joints, wherever you feel called, down towards the ankles, maybe the feet, holding on to any parts of the body that feel a little colder. Usually that's my hands and feet. So keeping it all some heat, rubbing in to the heat of the body. Nice. Whenever you feel complete with that, we're gonna settle back in. Maybe whether you're sitting or laying down, maybe rolling the shoulders back a little bit, opening up the front side of the body. Gently breathing in through the nose, out through the mouth. And out. Once more, just like that. And out. And gently here, noticing yourself landing in this hibernation station. Maybe it's the first time that you feel like you're able to take a breath, take a breather today. Gently noticing any parts of your body that feel nice and warm, nice and cozy, maybe scrunching up and curling up a little bit more. And imagining a candlelight glow in your mind's eye. This gentle but ever-present flame that's here for you on the coldest winter nights. That same flame is metaphorically in the body as well. The fire coursing through your veins, the beautiful heart keeping you warm. And we are literally warm-blooded, which means we don't need the sun to warm up the body. The warmth that we feel here is such a gift. And so this flame, this candle, the heart and the blood of the body, is something that as we hibernate and as we come into these colder months, it's something to be so grateful for. And so taking a moment, maybe even placing a hand over your heart and saying to yourself, to your heart, thank you so much for providing me the warmth that I need to survive and to thrive in the winter. Thank you. And seeing if that recognition and that warmth that you just sent, the flame in your body, the candle in your body, seeing if that generates even more warmth coursing through your veins, even more warmth maybe around the hands or the feet. Finding this gentle heat start to rise in the body. And letting the warmth take over in a loving way. And as you sit here, remembering the candlelight and the flame in your mind's eye, remembering the candle and flame in your actual body, the heart and the blood, and then calling to mind the beautiful stomach area, another center point of hibernation and getting through the winter months. It's your stomach, your belly, your womb, this area where darkness resides, but so much is happening. There's so much activity underneath the surface. And so taking a moment here to place your hands anywhere on the belly, anywhere in that area. And same thing here, thank you. Thank you for helping me digest the food that keeps me thriving in the winter months. Thank you for all of the activities, all of the performance that you are involved in. And thank you for reminding me that in the middle of darkness, in the middle of the darkest winter months as well, so much can happen internally. So much can happen in the body, outside of the body. And thank you for being my reminder of this. So we have the stomach, the heart space, and we also have the mind's eye, which we started with. And now taking a hand to your forehead or between your eyebrows, anywhere that you feel like your mind, your brain is most active at this moment in time. And a big part of hibernation is emotion. And the emotions that we feel as we come back to ourselves and come inward. And so in this moment in time, we say a prayer that our mind, our heart, and our stomach can all work together to provide us not only with a wonderful physical experience of hibernation, but also emotional. And as a lot of science is proving at this moment in time with a lot of evidence, the heart and the gut are also a big, big, big part of emotional well-being, emotional strength. And so these three centers are here to help and support you during a time where maybe there's not as many distractions. Maybe it's difficult to not have enough sun. Maybe it's difficult to have less sun. Maybe the cold is really hard to experience, whether physically or emotionally. But here, right now, we give thanks to our mind, and we pray that our mind is able to get us through in a way that is happy, healthy, expansive. We pray that our mind will be able to focus on the beautiful parts of winter, of hibernation. And we give thanks for all of the work that it's already done on our behalf. Noticing that the brain, the heart, and the stomach all want to work together. They all want to collaborate. And so taking a moment here now to touch the forehead, touch the heart, and then touch the stomach, bringing them all together as one. And gently breathing in the hibernation energy, breathing in that beautiful, luscious flow of life channeling through your body. And recognizing that hibernation can be just as juicy, if not juicier, than the summer months. A few more deep breaths in through the nose, out through the mouth. Twice more, just like that. And then once more. Beautiful. Thank you so much for meditating with me today, for hibernating with me today. If you love this and you want more of this juicy goodness, more meditations like this and more videos like this, you're really gonna love being on my email list. This is where I send these videos first. And so if you never wanna miss a video, you wanna make sure you get them in your inbox, go ahead and click the link below and sign up. You will love that inbox party. It is such a fun space to be in, especially because I share a lot of stuff there that I don't share here or anywhere else. And so if you want in on that, click the link below and I'll see you on the inside. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Ciao for now. Bye.